Hi, by the way, my name is MRaz and I am a second year student and currently I am pursuing computer science and engineering, and this will help me a lot. And while I am choosing this computer science and engineering, because when I am a teenager, I am mostly used a mobile phone, and I a lot of cinemas so and mostly software engineer are doing a coding, and this will me inspire me a lot. Why? Because my mind thoughts will help and think tell me you will do coding, and also you will doing like you have to making a app and the game developments, but my inspirational and my motivations will deserve that coding journey. And then I will some experience that I have faced, that I have gained from my social media like YouTube, Facebook, and a lot of social medias. But in this journey I will mostly cover a lot of programming language like Java. I'm going Java, that way that currently I'm doing something on my Java projects, and also I launch on Monstack, and that will help me a lot for my company placements. And the half of the day, and I will cover a lot of syllabus from my during my semester. And after that was finished, and then I will dive into the DSA pattern algorithm, DSA, how to learn a DSA and how to make your journey scalable and durability. Then mostly students don't know about that and a DSA, what is a DSA and why we learn DSA. I'm तो मैं क्या बोल सकता हूँ कि हाँ DSA क्यों भी लर्न करना है. मोस्टली स्टूडेंट्स डोंट नो DSA, ओनली ही हैव डूइंग ऑन अ डेवलपमेंट जर्नी like a monostack web development and a full stack. That was the enough for when you are in a college, and then you can get your placements on that development journey. Then I will try to something and how can you build your DSA logic and then implement your programming language. You have to choose any programming language like a Java, C++, and many more. And mostly I prefer a Java programming language, but Java programming is a high level programming language, and it will help on an industry level that the product based company are using mostly Java programming language, and this will help you a lot to that was the Java syntax is almost that is the complex, but you have to doing a lot of practice, then you will know how can that it work. And then mostly I used on my Java project, and mostly what is my mind thought. Firstly I learned Java basics, and then you have to jump into the how operator is working and the loops is working. Then you will cover a lot of array and recursion pointer. What is in a recursion pointer? And this will help you a lot while you are solving your question from a lead code. Then it will help you a lot. But I will tell you, the mostly students don't know how can you pursuing and how can you dive into the DSA language, but he don't know about that. तो मैं क्या बता सकता हूँ कि तुमको ये नहीं करना है कि हाँ मैं एक डेवलपमेंट कर लिया, अब मैं इंडस्ट्री लेवल में मैं एक कैपेबल हूँ कि हाँ मेरा जॉब मिल जाएगा. दैट इज रॉन्ग. बट आई विल टेल यू ना कि ऐसे मत करो यार, ऐसे करने से तुम्हारा जॉब कोई नहीं लगेगा. बट मोस्टली मैं क्या एक्सप्लोर करता हूँ इंडस्ट्री में या तो कॉर्पोरेट जॉब में कि हाँ मोस्टली स्टूडेंट्स हैव अ गुड नॉलेज ऑन अ मोनोस्टैक लाइक अ वेब डेवलपमेंट and app development, but he don't know about communication skill, right, and also system design, and he don't know about the aptitude, and also he don't know about the basic on DSA question. But I will tell you now, how can you pursuing that is the highest package placements. You don't know about that. तो मैं यही बता सकता हूँ कि हाँ भाई, एक तुम डेवलपमेंट करके मत बैठो, इससे तुमको फ़ायदा ही नहीं होगा भाई. मोस्टली स्टूडेंट्स आर स्टॉक. वाई? बिकॉज ही डोंट हैव टू गेन अ नॉलेज. देखो मैं एक ही बात बोल देता हूँ, तुम firstly you have to learn anything relatable while he was helping you for your future, right? तो तुम लर्निंग स्टार्ट करो. First you have to learn and then you have to earn. Firstly I will tell you the must na. Yes, that's enough for you today. I'm going to see you in the next videos.